Hi, I'm Tom Acland. I'm the CEO of 3D Excite.
Hey Tom, is that what we see on the screen there, what you and your team are dealing with?
Yeah, at 3D Excite, we help our clients with commercial innovation. So how products are brought into market and how demand is created among users for using those things.
So what does sales and marketing have to do with engineering? How does that go in line?
Well, I suppose in the old days we had a linear process which went from development to production to commercialization. But as products become smarter and more connected, more able to communicate with users, actually those processes are starting to be concurrent. So as you design the next iteration of software, which is going to be deployed to the vehicle, you're immediately thinking about how to communicate that to the driver, for example, in the car industry.
And what does that have to do with business? Because you're supposed to be helping sales. How does that really fit and help manufacturers make more money?
So people are talking a lot in the industry about how these phenomena are going to generate completely new business models. But the reality is that software-defined product architectures often help the business today. In cars, again, to give you an example, if the resale value of a vehicle is higher because the vehicle is as fresh on the 100th day as on the first, that actually means greater margins for manufacturers who are distributing their products into market.
So this is a way of service offering. Are we talking about the virtual twin as a service or in operations here?
Yes, we are, but often service, again, was something that was more of a cost and less of a revenue generator, or at least less of a significant part of the sales and marketing life cycle. And as these products get better, as they are in field and as they improve over time rather than just depreciate, you're really selling the whole time. So the idea is not just create marketing and sales for launch of the product, but through every interaction that takes place subsequently, be willing to communicate and able to express the new value which you'll be able to deliver to customers.
Sounds a lot like Metaverse.
Well, it has something to do with Metaverse in some situations. The Metaverse is a broad basket of different ideas. But we at Dassault Systèmes, we really focus on ground truth and the value that products actually bring to people in their everyday lives. A lot of the Metaverse is about fantasy, it's about stories, it's about fiction. So, where I think we can create value there is to see how that ground truth and the representation of real value meets that virtual world of stories and imagination.
What I don't get though, how does that go in line with sustainability, which is everywhere around us at the moment? Consuming more, advertising for it, I don't see this as sustainable.
So it's certainly true that people have traditionally associated mass advertising with mass production, and as we question the paradigm of ever more, we really need a different kind of solution to the fundamental economic problem of scarcity, which means we only have limited resources, but we have unlimited needs and wants as human beings. So we can look at that from the production side and we can reduce our impact. But we can also look at it from the perspective of what is the value that those resources are delivering to human beings. And if we elevate that, then I think we can really make a difference to the sustainability equation.
Interesting insights. Thanks for taking the time.
You're welcome.